everyone, welcome back to my channel. After a long time, I am here and I am going to discuss something very important जो हम लड़कियों के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है and that are our hair. We are very concerned about it. और जब भी हम बालों की बात करते हैं तो we feel like there should be something which can control our problem related to our hair. Because hair is the only thing which make us so beautiful and hair is the only thing which make us so dull as well. So today's video is all about your hair. So this video is all about your hair and आज मैं आपको एक ऐसा ब्रांड बताने वाली हूँ which is Indian origin and vegan brand and that is Blair. Blair have introduced hair oil shots. वो एक ऐसे hair oil shots है which can control your dandruff, hair fall and dryness. My problem is hair fall. I always keep on experimenting so many things about my hair which can control my hair fall, but eventually I fail always because season change, problem change and hair fall change. भाई कोई ऐसी तो चीज होनी चाहिए जिससे एक टाइम पे एक सीजन में मैं उसको कंट्रोल कर सकूं. But Blair is there. So इनके जो hair oil shots हैं, they are amazing and it give amazing results. I have tried and I am giving the review right now because it give amazing results. A girl like me जिसका हर एक सीजन में हेयर फॉल तो है लेकिन जो प्रॉब्लम है ना हेयर फॉल के रिलेटेड वो चेंज होती रहती है. So that means whenever I am using some product in one season, that product will not go another season, but this will go every season because I have tried it and I am in love with this one. So I will be unboxing this box from Blair and I will be showing you how to apply it and how to use it. Let me show you the box. The box is very pretty और हर एक साइड पे आपको हर एक चीज मेंशन होगी. Whatever I am saying, you can see it on their box. So it is written 100% vegan, certified, natural, and honest and hard-working ingredient to promote slow natural healing. So hashtag is slow natural healing. So सब कुछ बॉक्स पर लिखा हुआ है and I am not saying because I felt like that, but everything is written and described. You know why? Because whenever you are opening this box, you will realize that whatever it's written, they are on their words. So I will be opening it. So this is what it is from inside. Wow. You know, I just love playing with these things, but I will play it later. So there are 8 bottles inside this box, but that doesn't mean कि सारे अलग-अलग ingredient है. It is only one ingredient and that is for hair fall. Because I told you I have a hair fall problem, so I have ordered according to my hair. So let me open it for you all. So these are the bottles. They're small, cute bottles, and you will get applicator as well. So how to apply it? It will be very easy for you to know.
So let me show you how these bottles look like and how to use it. It's very easy to use and very beneficial. So you can select any one bottle out of these 8 and plus you get the applicator also. So this is how the bottle looks like. You have to open this black cap so that you can easily apply the applicator over it. So once the applicator is there, it is very easy for you to apply it on your scalp. So it is so easy for you to apply all over your scalp, and after applying you can give a very gentle massage on your scalp, and once the massage is done you are ready to rinse it off.
So this is how you have to apply this oil shot on your scalp and the result will be there. And uske apply karne ke baad you can rinse off and you will get the result. So this is the easiest way to control your dandruff, hair fall or dryness. So what are you waiting for? Just go to their website. The link is in the description. So you can order it right now. When I got this in my hand, मेरे को थोड़ा सा टेंशन था कि काश ये चीज़ वैसा ना निकले कि मुझे फिर से हर एक सीजन एक नई चीज़ की सर्च करना पड़े. But I stopped there because the result was really very amazing, and it is actually giving me amazing result as well. So I don't have to worry at all. When it's there, it's there. So वो कहते हैं ना, जो चीज़ आपके दिल को छू जाती है वो चीज़ आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आ जाती है. सो जो आपके हेयर को सूट कर जाती है वो चीज़ आप हमेशा यूज़ करते रहते हैं लाइफ टाइम तक, और आप दूसरों को सजेस्ट भी करते हैं. तो ये एग्जैक्टली मेरे साथ हुआ है. जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ पसंद आई है और मेरे बालों को सूट किया है, so I thought of discussing it with you all. And if you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and please leave the comment. I love reading your comments, and do order this product ASAP. And I see you guys in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and be safe, and don't go out without any reason.